I think what has surprised is the fact that the banks have done exceptionally well of the results that have come out in the last about 10 days or so. And the fact is that a lot of these private sector banks are trading at very low multiples. So I think I would still put my money into private sector banks, maybe an SBI or one of the other PSUs, but my bias has always been towards the private sector banks versus PSU banks.
This quarter, there was an unequivocal commonality in the con calls of almost all banks that NIMs have corrected and will contract further. Could that be a hindrance, or do valuations take care of that?
If you go by history, unfortunately or fortunately, you've seen PSU banks trading at a significant discount to their private sector peers. And there are reasons for that. I think the prime reason being the fact that, PSU banks, senior managements don't have stock options. They are not apparently not fully incentivized to, take tough decisions. And, there's a certain culture within PSUs, period, not just banks, that is not very profit oriented. But I think the FM and the Ministry of Finance, I think in general, are very clear that they want PSU banks to be focused, and not just PSU banks, I would say all PSUs in general, to be more focused on profits, be more diligent, at least as far as the banks are concerned, on giving out loans. And I think, as you said, one of these banks did have an issue. They need to spruce up their processes 100%.